Yeah. Oh, kill. What's going on, guys? My name's Sean, and welcome to Nobori Auto. I hope you guys have liked all of the GTR videos I've been posting recently. A lot more than the past 6 months, so at least that's pretty good. In today's video, I get a lot more progress on the car. Like, a lot. So, let's get to it. Okay guys, just got this in yesterday, so I'm gonna try to take it apart and see what we got. These staples, unforgiving on nitro gloves, just straight up rip my glove first thing in the morning. Okay, so that is the front lip of the GTR. Just missing one part. Legit. That is actually a wood box. Like, I feel like this is wrapped better than I wrap my Christmas presents. Yeah. Julian, can you fit in this? Can you fit in that? No. If you didn't have legs.
If I sit down, yeah. No, I can't fit.
It wasn't strong enough. Oh yeah. We could totally make a little sled. Here you go. Here's the front grill right here. Do you have any wheels? There's your spoiler back here.
Thank you for calling Grille. Some parts. Jason, can I help you?
Hey Jason, it's Sean over at Nobori.
Yeah, what's going on?
The 2009 GTR, the fender. I had you guys send me those fender brackets last time, the metal ones.
Okay.
That bolt the front bumper to the fenders, and then the little corner lights. I need all those little clips that go up inside the fender.
You there?
Yeah.
I actually do have 4 of them here, so.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, can you send those? And then also windshield washer reservoir. How much is that?
Your cost is $132.30, and I'd have to order that in.
Okay, yeah, you can go ahead and order that and then send those clips, please. Okay, Nissan dropped off the little washer bracket clip things for the bumper to fender transition. Mega freaking let's go install them. This lower grill I got from Bumperland when they refinished the bumper, so I'm just gonna try to install it right now. So the way that I'm assuming this bracket goes onto the front bumper is with rivets. There's little circular holes all along here and corresponding holes on the actual plastic bumper. So I'm assuming that this goes underneath, and then through each one of these holes a rivet goes and keeps the front bumper riveted on there so it doesn't go anywhere. And then the screws hold this bracket up into the bumper, or into the fender, I mean. So yeah, time to go find some rivets. And here's how a rivet works. So this is a rivet gun, and then you put the piece in there and you start clamping, and as you're clamping, it's pulling the head down through. Until it gets to the bottom. And then it popped. Well, so it shouldn't be like that, but then you have your rivet that's riveted your piece together, hopefully, and then it snaps off the little piece. So really, the gun's just cinching down on this piece and pulling every time. And that is what would be left in. Okay. So let me take the bumper back off and see if this will hold it. There you go. That's riveted on there. I'm gonna rivet everything. So the lip, I like the look of it, but the fitment of it just isn't there. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to mount it. It weighs way more than the front bumper, so it's got to bolt to the frame somehow, but, or the subframe. I don't get it. And fitment's not 100% on it. Want your guys' advice. What do you think? Should I attempt to make that lip fit, get another lip, or don't know. I feel like that lip would make a good sled though. All right, so I'm just continuing on what Daryl and I started the other day of getting this all in here. And from what I remember, I think we tightened that, but there's a broken tab in here. A little pin that I need to take out. All the way on there. Ah, you bugger. This sucks. So what I wanted to do with this was get a front lip to match the like height off the ground. of the side skirt, and then I can paint match this side skirt to the front lip, so then everything is, you know, you guys know what I'm talking about without even me saying it. Good to go. Aerodynamic and stuff. Got my little handy dandy screws. That's not going anywhere. Says every guy ever. Well guys, this video has come to an end, and a good one at that. I'm in love with this carbon insert. The only thing left to do on the front bumper is this upper grille. I tried calling the dealer to ask them pricing on it, and it's roughly $600. That's not fun. And I asked him why it was $600. He said, just because it has a GTR emblem. Yay, $600 piece of $10 plastic. It makes sense. Paint turned out awesome. Everything turned out awesome. Like this, let me get it farther away. Okay, that, yeah. Like the GTR has just looked like a project in the making for the past 6 months, because it has been. But it turned out great. The other thing left to do is this grill, or this lip. Does anyone want to buy it? I like the drop on it, but it doesn't fit for my application. But if it does for someone else, let me know. Instagram, @Nobori Auto. You can DM me there. For those of you who do not follow me on Instagram, same, @Nobori Auto. Merch, beanies are still available. Darylyn is sewing away at those. And yeah, check out some of my older videos. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Let's go install.